Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can get or buy tickets for the weekend after hour. So open your browser, simply type in get tickets for the weekend after hour. Make sure that you also mention the weekend after hour. Then you will see livenation.hk for the weekend after hour till dawn tour. So simply tap onto it. Now, as you have already tapped onto this specific event, you will get to see a page like this. Now in here, the tour is happening 31st of October, Saturday, 2026, in this stadium in Hong Kong, and the show time is this right here. If you would like to get more info, you can also tap on info and get it here. Now, once you have read everything, select tickets, and it says member pre-sale only. So all you have to do is read all these. Make sure that you simply take a screenshot of the info so that you can come back to this later. Now, lastly, tap on buy tickets. Lastly, select I agree after reading all these. And these are some more details about the show. It says not available now. Tap on more details if you would like to learn more. And it is not available in my region, but I'm pretty sure it will be available in your region. So instead of not available now, you will see buy now. Select buy now, and then from there you may go ahead, mention your purchasing details, and then buy the tickets. If it's showing not available in the Live Nation, you can also try different sites like this Skyduck Sports Park or any sites that you are seeing in your browser according to your region. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.